Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Ford F-550? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your chassis cab truck electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2026 Ford F-550, technically designated as the power distribution box, functions as the mission-critical epicenter of the vehicle's high-voltage and high-amperage electrical architecture. Engineered to endure the grueling conditions of a commercial work truck, this enclosure is constructed from high-impact, heat-resistant, and weather-sealed thermoplastic to ensure that the sensitive bus bars, relays, and heavy-duty fuses housed within remain shielded from moisture, engine heat, road debris, and hazardous chemicals. As the primary gateway between the battery and the vehicle's disparate electrical subsystems, this box is tasked with the monumental responsibility of managing power delivery to the most vital powertrain components, including the 6.7-liter power-stroke diesel engine management sensors, the powertrain control module, the starter motor solenoid, alternator charging circuits, high-output cooling fans, and primary lighting control modules. By centralizing these high-load circuits, the system significantly reduces electrical resistance and voltage drop, which is essential for maintaining the operational integrity of the truck's sophisticated engine diagnostics and emission systems. From a maintenance perspective, the unit is designed for systematic accessibility. The lid typically features a detailed mapping diagram that correlates specific cavity numbers with their corresponding amperage ratings and system functions, allowing technicians to rapidly isolate faults. Battery fuse box. The battery-mounted fuse box in the 2026 Ford F-550 is designed to manage and protect high-current electrical circuits connected directly to the vehicle's main power source. It houses heavy-duty fuses and fusible links that safeguard critical systems such as the starter motor, alternator charging circuit, and main power distribution lines, ensuring stable and reliable electrical performance. It is typically mounted right on or very close to the positive battery terminal in the engine compartment, allowing direct and efficient power routing. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box of the 2026 Ford F-550 serves as the primary control hub for low-amperage cabin electronics, protecting critical circuits like infotainment, interior lighting, and climate control. Located within the passenger compartment for easy access, this unit houses smaller, easily replaceable fuses that prevent electrical overloads from damaging sensitive dashboard modules and convenience features. Its design allows for quick diagnostic troubleshooting and fuse replacement during routine maintenance, ensuring that non-powertrain accessories remain fully operational. By organizing these circuits in one accessible location, it simplifies the management of the vehicle's extensive interior electrical network and accessory power supply. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.